In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your CSFloat account. First, go to CSFloat.com and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Deposit to begin the process. Now, you'll need to enter the amount you want to add to your CSFloat account. You can either type in a custom amount or select one of the suggested options. Keep in mind that CSFloat takes a fee. Next, choose your preferred payment method. If you hover over the different options, you'll see the fees associated with each one. Before proceeding, double check that everything looks correct. Then read and agree to the terms of service and refund policy by checking the box. Once you're ready, click Pay Now and follow the checkout process. After the payment goes through, the funds will be deposited into your account and you can see your updated balance in the top right corner. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing to the channel and help me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.